Miss.
Oh yeah, me too. Did you like it?
Yeah, I really like it, and it's really delicious. And thank you so much, Miss, for nice dinner tonight.
Oh yeah, no problem. Anytime. I like having you in my house to have dinner with me. So anytime.
Yeah, I hope you will invite me again before you leave because
Oh.
2 weeks again, right?
Yeah, only 2 weeks. So maybe on Saturday I will invite you again for dinner.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh yeah, because you invite me for dinner, I will give you a rose.
Thank you so much. You didn't have to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because the rose is really beautiful like you.
Oh, stop. You're too nice. Too nice. Thank you so much, Miss Ika.
Don't mention it.
Oh, you're such a good friend.
I really appreciate all that.
Oh.
Because you are my special friend too. Like my younger sisters.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for invitation and I should go home right now.
Okay, okay. Thanks for coming and I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see
Okay.
you. Bye.
Ika.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This morning I would like to teach you about the next subject, about invitation. So the subject still about talking about expression, but today about invitation. Okay, invitation and what is in this chapter? There is structure of this chapter. The first is we want to talk about invitation, and then next invitation divided into how to sending an invitation, responding to invitation, and then responding to an invitation also divided into two parts: accepting and declining. Okay, next. So we want to invitation letter. So the invitation here we want to study about the letter invitation. So what is an invitation? An invitation requests a person, group, or representative to attend a particular event. It can be written on a card, letter, or email. Shorter ones such as birthday invitation are written on cards. So there are two kind of invitation. First, through the speaking. So you call your friend or you talk to your friend and then you invite them. And then the second is about letter. So if you want to ask someone to come to any special occasion or you want to invite them for dinner, for lunch, for watching movie or meeting or so on. So today we will study about the letter. Okay, I think this is enough information, right? Because invitation letter can be written on card, letter, or email. So it means you use your hand, take your pencil or your pen or type it on your computer and then send it them the invitation. Okay, next, the information to be included in an invitation. So listen carefully. First, name of the host. So you will tell about the host that will have the special event. Next, name, purpose, date, time, location of the event. So you will tell about the name or owner or host to be, and then the purpose of the program, and then date, when it will be happen, and then time, what time everyone will come, and then location, where is the location of the event that you will make. Okay, next, special instruction. So after you tell all the identity of yours and we come to the special instruction, you will say or tell about dress code that your friends wear, and then direction to the location. Maybe you can make a maps, yeah, such as invitation letter like wedding card. In the back of the wedding invitation card there is a map, or maybe you can Sherlock or something like that. Okay, the last is RSVP. It means contact person or phone number that you want to tell to your friend to make it easy if you want to if your friend wants to come to your event. RSVP, it means everyone who is invited by someone will give clarification to the host if they will come or not. Okay, so this is the function of RSVP. Next, there are two types of invitation. First, business. Second, personal. So business, we can do the invitation about meeting, conference, seminar, interview, training, etc. Okay, this is about business. Next, the personal invitation letter can be wedding, party, anniversary, birthday, or etc. Okay, come to the next slide. Okay, I have told you about RSVP just now, and then we will study about RSVP from cultural awareness. Yeah, you can look at your book too, yeah. Okay, so RSVP is the abbreviation of the French phrase Respondez s'il vous plaît. So this is French, yeah, not English. So the meaning in English is please respond. Okay, so what is it? It is a request for the people being invited to confirm whether they plan to attend the event or not. It is important for the host in preparing for the event. Okay, next, in most Western cultures, invitees are expected to respond to RSVPs. Like I told you before, you give clarification, so please clarify if you want to come or not. So a response card often comes with a wedding invitation where you can write your information and state whether you will attend or not. Yeah, this is clear enough. Okay, so respond to an RSVP as soon as possible. Okay, you can say yes or you can say no, or maybe you just want to make yes, it means you will come, and no, maybe you have another business. Accepting an invitation. Okay, so this is the way someone who is invited by another one, and then she or he will accept the invitation. And how? Okay, when you receive an invitation, you can either accept or decline. Yeah, if you have any free time and then fix with the time that your friend asks to come, you can accept, or maybe you have another business, you can decline it. Okay, if the invitation requires an RSVP, respond as soon as possible. Yeah, why? We have to clarify as soon as possible because the host maybe want to make a list of people or friends who wants to come to his or her party. Maybe she or he wants to contact the catering for food or gift, or maybe room in the hotel. Maybe she needs to confirmation to the hotel, or how many tables does the host need, yeah, table or chair, something like that. Okay, next, in the letter You should mention your feelings when you receive the invitation and confirm your attendance. So maybe to make your host become happy, yeah, because you can come or maybe you couldn't come, to make the host not disappointing because you cannot come, and she will be happy if you can come. For example, here, dear Alice, thank you for kind invitation to Jen's graduation party on Friday, 16 January at 6:30 p.m. My wife and I will be happy to attend, and we eagerly look forward to helping you celebrate this happy occasion. Love, Kenny. Okay, we will analyze about the invitation. First is greeting. You say dear Alice. So if you want to accept the invitation, and then you say thank you. So thank you is the first word we will use in this letter. Thank you for your kind invitation to this graduation party on Friday, 16 January at 6:30 p.m. And then you tell about the invitation that you have got from your friend or host. Okay, next, say that the reason. So the second paragraph here tells about the reason. My wife and I will be happy to attend, and we eagerly look forward to helping you celebrate this happy occasion. So, where is the feelings means from the explanation above? I will be happy to attend. So this is important sentence that you will write it in your letter. Okay. Declining an invitation. Because you have two reasons about responding the invitation, accepting or declining. So I will tell you about the declining for the second. Okay, first, express appreciation for the invitation. Yeah, you have to say thank you to show your appreciation because the host already invites you for his or her program. Next, second, express regret that you must decline the invitation and explain why. Yeah, why you have to tell regret to make your host become positive thinking, and then not disappointing because of your reason. After you express regret, and then tell why you couldn't come to their program. And then lastly, wish success for the event. You will tell the wish or hope for your friend's invitation become success. Okay, next, the letter declining invitation. You say, for example, dear Alice, I appreciate your gracious invitation to your daughter's graduation party. Unfortunately, I already have an engagement that afternoon and it will be unable to attend. Please let Jen know how proud I am for her achievement. May you enjoy a wonderful celebration. Love, Kenny. Okay, we will discuss about this later. The first, you will say greeting, dear Alice, and then you will tell your appreciation. From this first sentence, you say, I appreciate your gracious invitations. Yeah, to make your host become happy. Next, you tell the reason. Unfortunately, I already have an engagement that afternoon and will be unable to attend. So, Kenny cannot come to your invitation. And then, please let Jen know how proud I am for her achievement. And then he send greetings and then hope or wish for success to Jen's celebration. May you enjoy a wonderful celebration. Expression also make your host become happy. Next, the closing of the letter is love Kenny. Okay. Next, tips to write a good invitation. First, begin with the happy news. Yeah, because you want to invite someone, it means the invitation will be a good news that they want to listen it or read it. And then next, extend the invitation, and then specify the place, date, and time. And then next, express your hope that the invitation will be accepted. Yeah, you can make some words or sentences about you hope you will come to my invitation and something like that. And next, give thanks to at the end, so it means you appreciate your friends who really wants to come to your program. For example, dear Kenny, I'm happy to say that you are invited to attend my daughter's graduation party on Friday, 16 January at 6:30 p.m. at my house. I hope you will come. It will be a great pleasure to have you with us on this occasion. Love, Alice. Okay, we will analyze about the example of invitation letter. Okay, first it is written about begin with the happy news. So we want to match the color of the sentence with letter here. So it means the example is I am happy to say that. So extend the invitation is here. You are invited to attend. So please tell your goal or your aim. What will you do about the letter? So it means you are invited to attend. There. Okay. Next, specify the place, date, and time. You will tell your friends about the place, date, and time to make them easy for coming to the place that you want to make it. My daughter's graduation party on Friday, 16 January at 6:30 p.m. at my house. Okay, this one. Next, express your hope that invitation will be accepted. So the sentence is here. I hope you will come. A good wish to your friend for coming. Next, give thanks at the end of your letter. It will be a great pleasure to have you with us on this occasion. Okay, and the last is closing your letter with your assignment. Love, Alice. Alice is the sender and Kenny is the receiver. You have watched the video in the first link that I have given to you on YouTube. So right now, after I explain all about the material, you should answer some questions that I will deliver to you about the video that you have watched.